This is Van Electric Ghost, and we're going to be talking about two tracks today. We created a new song on our Teenage Engineering OPZ using the new sampler modification in the latest firmware upgrade. And we've been kind of focused on strange modulation, kind of chanting vibe with our expansive sound structure, and then we've also been focused in kind of a social sonic dissonance. And so we came up with this kind of sexual connotation or psychological connotation of an anal retentive type of person that is, just kind of focused on the details and not really getting it. So we came up with this track called Anal Retentive Rant that we did a sample into the OPZ and then modified it with the pitch controls and the speed controls, and then just let it be what it was. And then we modified it by bringing it into our hardware workflow and added Moog and Roland hardware synth tracks as overdubs. And so that song became, it's a strange bird. It's a different type of thing. It's kind of spoken word, experimental, sexual connotation, psychological dissonance. And it's a wordful. But the other song we did is a track we did a while back to experiment with what we could do with our strange modulation we call Devastatingly Delicate Dissonance. And we remastered it using beautiful audio. And we like the result of this track. It's an instrumental. It kind of goes back to when we were pre-PEG, pre-Phantom Electric Ghost. It's a real concept of expansive sound experiments of creating a sound painting. We're using a lot of, again, strange modulation coming from our analog synths. And then we played a piano chord structure over it. And we've altered the levels using beautiful audio. That we really like that tool now. And it's really cool because it works on a Chromebook, and that's what we have. So it gives us an ability to alter the sound beyond using our MX1 performance mixer and our Zoom R24, which we use the Zoom R24 to do an original master. And we also use our Eurorack mixer. We have a 4x2 or 2x4 mixer from Pittsburgh Modular Synths, which allows us to take the VCA signals and level them before they even hit the MX1. And then the MX1, we are allowed to take the mono signals and turn them into stereo. And then on the Zoom, we do an initial recording, and then we do a master. And then we go to beautiful audio. And then we'll send it on to our engineering partners at Bentley Records if we go to push it there. So, yeah, we're very happy with the two tracks here. Whether they go on Violets, which is the Dark Ghost album, we're not sure. But again, if you like what you hear, you can become a supporter of the program, of our podcast. You can also, if you want to be interviewed and you're a band or an artist or musician or actor, you can send us a voice memo, and you can also tag your username and Instagram, and then we'll send you a direct message on Instagram as a response to our voice memo and a response and get you scheduled. We're already scheduling for September. We're probably pretty much booked for September. We're going to be scheduling for October and November. So we have over 20,000 listens since 2018. And we've interviewed folks like Jess Davis, an actor who has appeared on The Punisher show on Netflix. And she's also done indie movies, and she has a clothing line in New York City, and she's done a lot of fashion shows and all kinds of indie expression through like theater and television and movies. So we've also talked to the band Secular Roller Coasters, Secrecies, The Muted, Kendra Black, and Kendra Erica. So we're very happy with the progress of the show. Hitting 20,000 was a goal that we had for 2019. We're hoping to hit 30 by the end of the year. And we'll talk to you later, and keep on listening to Peg. We appreciate it.